Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about the Platy front pocket organizer from Maxpedition. I was looking for an EDC pocket organizer that fits perfectly in my back pocket, and I think this version is a great choice. I will test different tool setups in this EDC organizer, but let's check out the tools of my first try. I was especially looking for an organizer where I can carry the mini combination pliers from Knipex, and this compartment here has a perfect size. The mini combination pliers in the 110mm version are perfect for EDC and a great companion for my Victorinox Swiss Army knives. The perfect fit and finish is a standard when it comes to Knipex tools. I love the cutting edge and the grip section of these pliers. Let's check out the compartment on the back side. I carry the Victorinox Pharma. I really like this version because of the toolset. The Victorinox Pharma with the cool alloy scales comes with a blade, the excellent saw from Victorinox. We have a combination tool. This is the can opener with the small flathead screwdriver tip. We also have the second combination tool with a wire bender, a bottle opener and a large flathead screwdriver, and this tool includes an awl. I really like this setup, Victorinox Pharma and combination pliers from Knipex, but I have to mention that I have another Victorinox on my keychain. The Victorinox on my keychain is the Victorinox Rambler. I think the Victorinox Rambler is also a perfect companion for the Victorinox Alox Pharma because of the nail cleaning tool with the nail file and the nail cleaning tip. We have a combination tool with a small flathead screwdriver. We have a backup blade, excellent Victorinox scissors, and there are also tweezers and the toothpick. All in all, this trio is an excellent multi-tool setup for everyday carry tasks. The next tool in the back pocket, Knipex Cobra XS. Very functional and durable water pump pliers in a small design. Maybe two pliers are not necessary, but I love the combination pliers for different tasks and the Knipex Cobra XS for 1000 other use cases. Let's take a look inside. First of all, we have a small big lighter. For the knife maintenance, we have a small diamond sharpener from DMT. The DMT products are color-coded and the green version stands for extra fine. This grit is not the best choice for a razor-sharp pocket knife, but you will get a great working edge. The next item in the small zipper pocket here is a universal key from Knipex. It's definitely a cool and useful EDC item, and you can carry this version on your keychain too. The next item, I love to carry small pens. This one is a bolt action pen in the mini version from Big Idea Design. And it's always a lot of fun to play with this pen. The last item in this organizer, this is an EDC pocket pick set from Multipick. It's definitely one of my favorite pick sets for EDC. I love the durable design in combination with the integrated tension tool and the picks inside. This pick set and the pick selection is designed for EDC, but you can replace the different picks depending on your needs. And my favorite pick in this selection is this small hook pick here. As I mentioned before, I want to try different setups when it comes to this organizer, and I think for the back compartment, the Knipex Cobra XS and the Victorinox BitKit are also a great choice. And another great option is a fairly slim pocket knife. This one is the Spyderco Upturn. I really like this version from Spyderco, and I think it's one of the most underrated tools from Spyderco. And this classic outside carry would be also a great choice for an EDC setup. And maybe I have to include another item with 1000 use cases, an universal oil towel from Ballistol. This oil towel fits perfectly in the back pocket too. For a basic everyday carry setup, a high quality flashlight is missing. But I'll normally carry this version from Fenix here on my keychain together with the Victorinox Rambler. This is the E05R, a rechargeable flashlight. I love the quality and the functionality from Fenix. Please let me know in the comments section below what would you include into this little organizer.